cracking, everybody? It's your boy King Fresh. We're out here with another banger. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the KF Gang movement. Let's go. I have a certified track star right here. One of my favorite track stars of all time right here. Mr. Cheetos. Hey, flaming hots or the cheese ones?
The cheese one.
The cheese one? Oh, hell no. Tienes de picar, güey. Tienes de picar, güey. Okay, so we have this beautiful Kobe Bryant thing right here. RP Kobe. And this guy just came up to us and said he could swallow the whole water in one take.
Want me to do it?
Is that even a question? Do it.
Wow. That was pretty bad at the end.
Damn. Yeah, hey, he's single. Any girls out there, he's ready to eat and everything, huh?
Fuck yes.
That's right. Dang, your license plates I love water?
Yes.
You're a mermaid?
Maybe.
Alright guys, so we made it to the location. We got the beautiful scenario in the background right there for Kobe Bryant, RIP Kobe Bryant. Got the firefighters right here in the house. Okay. And we got Fabian gonna swing it for the one time for Kobe Bryant. Ooh, is he gonna swing it? We got people freeway trying to get into the pit. The firefighter just showing off for the one time right now. Bye.
Hey, yo, blocker.
Tell him to block it that way, huh?
Hey, block it off over there. I'll give you free water.
We got that guy dangling with his balls. There goes my ride. There goes my ride.
Hey, King Fresh.
Oh, what's up, player? What's up? What's up? We got a tantrum, baby. Okay. Twosome. Yeah. Oh, high fly. Okay. Oh. Woo. Wait. So the guy just got hit once and twice.
I think
that shit was crazy, guys. Like by a little bit. I did like the high five though, and I like how they kept it going right now. So they're gonna change the location right now. As you can see, they're in the pit. So they're about to change the location, but for right now, I'm really enjoying this spot. Still stuck in the exit of the freeway right now. People just ended up getting out of their cars right now. Low-key, I'm still tripping on the guy that got hit right now. I saw it coming. I couldn't help him. You gotta keep your eyes open all the time, guys. Eyes open. We got the 392 in the house, okay? There's a guy that drinks water and he has some lights too. What the? Hey, wait, deja ver tus luces. Shit! Damn! What's up? What's up, bro? What's up? What's crack? Got a female hanging out. pressure at its finest. He was gonna go park, but they're like, nah, you're swinging that. Oh, hell no. All right, we got the cop pulling in finally after like 6 hours, to be honest. And it's just one, but the blockers are doing their thing back there. R.I.P. Kobe Bryant right here. I really love this tribute right here that they did at the Orange, downtown in Orange. Oh, they're chasing the guy. The guy's dipping. The guy dipped. This is the first time that I see the cops pulling somebody and there's already 2 very hungry tow trucks just patiently waiting for the prey. As you saw in a previous video right now, like he actually took off, but didn't really make it that far. Wait, there's a guy in the front. There's a guy in the front of the hood. There's this guy feeling very, very wet. Oh, hell no. Oh, I can't. Oh, camera guy. Oh. Loki, that was the first guy. Seeing a guy dangling from the front. Good grip as well. Hey, this guy has bars, by the way. Oh, high five! And a little bit of donuts is a perfect recipe. There we go. You saw it on time. Another great spot, guys. Another great spot, by the way. I love this spot. On to the next one, guys. Damn! Those lights right there. Walking it out, okay. Oh, he's coming back. Is he coming back? Uh-oh.
What?
What the hell's going on here, guys?
I don't know, but...
David, say hi to the camera. By the way, our girls are here in the guys' bathroom. Mine's is somewhere in here. Alright guys, so after the takeover, we ended up getting like really, really hungry right now. So we came to a taqueria right now to get mojos and all that bullshit right now. What are you gonna get right now? New to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become part of the KFK movement. Let's go. Aw, look at the couple. Aw, let me see Fabian's little boner. Aw.
I spent some days in the trap, got my money up.